World's strangest frog will shock you. Did you know there's a frog so strange it looks like it has hair and can even break its own bones to create claws? Meet the hairy frog, one of the most bizarre creatures on the planet. At first glance, it might seem like just another amphibian, but the more you learn about it, the more unbelievable it becomes. The hairy frog, also known as the horror frog, is found in parts of Central Africa. But don't let the name fool you, it doesn't actually have hair like humans. What looks like hair are thin, hair-like structures called dermal papillae. These grow along the sides and thighs of male frogs, especially during breeding season. Scientists believe these structures help the frog absorb more oxygen through its skin, which is incredibly useful when guarding eggs in low-oxygen water. Now, here's where things get truly shocking. Unlike most frogs, the hairy frog has a secret defense mechanism that sounds like something out of a horror movie. When threatened, it can intentionally break the bones in its toes and force them through its skin to create sharp claws. Yes, you heard that right. This frog literally turns its own bones into weapons. These claws are not permanent like in other animals. Instead, they stay hidden under the skin until needed. When danger appears, the frog contracts specific muscles, causing the bones to snap and pierce through. This gives it a powerful way to defend itself against predators. Afterward, the skin heals and the bones slowly return to their original position. It's one of the most extreme survival adaptations in the animal kingdom. But why would a frog evolve such a painful and extreme defense system? The answer lies in survival. In the wild, especially in dense forests and near rivers, predators are everywhere. From snakes to birds, many animals see frogs as an easy meal. The hairy frog's claw mechanism gives it a fighting chance, turning it from prey into something much harder to handle. Another fascinating thing about the hairy frog is its role as a parent. Male hairy frogs are known to guard their eggs aggressively. They stay close to the water, protecting the eggs from predators and ensuring they survive. This is where those hair-like structures come in handy, helping them breathe better while staying in the water for long periods. Unlike many frogs that rely on jumping to escape danger, hairy frogs are surprisingly strong and sturdy. They can grip surfaces tightly and use their claws when needed. This makes them very different from the typical image of a soft, harmless frog. The hairy frog also has a unique appearance that sets it apart. Its body is rough and muscular, and its coloration helps it blend into its environment. This camouflage is another important survival tool, allowing it to stay hidden from predators until it's absolutely necessary to fight back. Scientists are still studying the hairy frog to understand how its bone-breaking ability works without causing permanent damage. The regeneration process, in particular, has caught the attention of researchers. Learning how this frog heals itself could lead to breakthroughs in medical science, especially in bone repair and tissue regeneration. Despite its incredible abilities, the hairy frog is not widely known. It lives in remote regions far from most human populations. However, habitat destruction and environmental changes could pose a threat to its survival. Like many unique species, it depends on a delicate ecosystem that must be protected. What makes the hairy frog truly special is how it challenges everything we think we know about frogs. It's not just a simple amphibian, it's a survivor, a fighter, and a perfect example of how strange and amazing nature can be. Imagine encountering this frog in the wild. At first, it might seem harmless, but once you realize what it's capable of, your perspective would change. It's a reminder that even the smallest creatures can have the most extraordinary abilities. In a world full of incredible animals, the hairy frog stands out as one of the strangest. From its hair-like features to its bone claws, it's a creature that continues to surprise scientists and nature lovers alike. So the next time you think frogs are boring, remember this: somewhere in Africa, there's a frog that can break its own bones to survive. And that might just make it one of the most shocking animals on Earth.